Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome, and who are my subscribers already, welcome back. In this video I'll be doing the application for this set, so let's get into the video. So I've applied my tips and preps already. I'm going to apply the acrylic on that finger. I've applied it on the other fingers already, so I'm just showing you on one finger the acrylic application. We are doing a square shape design, so continue watching. As you guys have seen in my videos of application, I work with small beads. It works best for me. I've tried doing a big bead, but acrylic tends to dry quicker than I wanted to, so I rather work in small and a little bit more wetter bead sometimes. So that's how I work, guys. It may seem like it's taking longer, but for the most part it's within time frame of regular application. This is an inspired set, guys, so I will post the design I'm trying to make, so you guys can tell me if I did well in the comments below. So like I said, is the application in this video. As for the design, it is not in the video, but if you would like to see the design and how I created that design, comment below with a heart emoji to saying you would like to see that design. Alright guys, so we're doing the application and shaping, but not the design. But if you want to see it, as I said, comment below and tell me with a heart emoji if you would like to see the design itself, which is how I accomplish it. So guys, I have to get right up in the cuticle area without touching the cuticle, that we can seal the cuticle properly with the acrylic, so that will help to prevent lifting or any lifting. So I got right up in there for the application without going in touching the cuticle itself. So I'm going to fill in any gaps I see that may need a little more acrylic. When you're applying your acrylic, always brush down the acrylic. Don't place it and just pat. It will not come out as smoothly like if you brush it. So you can pat into place and then you brush. what you want to be smooth, and you brush it. Yes, for your application to be very smooth, you have to brush the acrylic. And this is the end result of application, guys. We're gonna go on to filing next. Hope you like the application. I pre-shaped off camera, guys. Sorry about that. But it's the same routine as I always shaped. And now we're gonna smooth out with a 180 grit file any rough edges that may be on it, any bumps, any lumps. Make sure it looks almost perfect. And buff with a buffer. And as I said before, guys, we did not do the design, but you're gonna comment below if you would like to see the design that we're gonna do, guys. That design, comment below. So thanks for watching, guys. This is the end result of the shaping and buffing, and as you know, the design. So comment below a heart emoji if you'd like to see a video having that particular design in mind. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.